Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, November 15, 2022. Before I get started, I wanted to mention we have a webinar today after the close talking about our auto trading programs. If you've not heard of them, we have programs that will auto trade your account. You just set up the account and let us send the signals to your broker. Your broker executes the trades in your account for you. It's a really cool and simple process that is producing real results. So we'll be going over those results this afternoon in the webinar. It is having a great year. If you have not seen that yet, you can go ahead and sign up and learn more about that and how you can participate today after the close at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. The link is below this video. You can sign up there and join us at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, let's hop into today's Daily IQ video. I'm going to zoom in here just a little bit, make it a little bit easier to read. And we're going to be looking at what has happened historically on Tuesday of options expiration week. So let me go ahead and get this set up. We're going to grab all four instruments. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now this morning, we're pushing higher in the overnight session. I'm going to add the gap direction here, gap up. Next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library. I'm going to say yesterday closed below a 200-day simple moving average. If I scroll down, I can get that from the active today. There we go. Next thing beyond that is going to be from the calendar library. I'm going to say today is Tuesday. I'm going to hit equals right here next to Tuesday. And the last thing I'm going to add is that it is the week of options expiration. So in our market events, active today, go down to the bottom, grab week of opex. It's the bottom option here in the market events. If I scroll down, you can see it's been added. There's the equal sign next to it. All right, that's everything we need. Let me go ahead and click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when it is Tuesday of options expiration week and you're gapping up and the prior session closed below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 41 samples, and that's data going back to 2003. That's for the S&P. For the NASDAQ, we have 35 samples. For the Dow, 39. For the Russell, 52. If we look at the win rates on them, they're all very similar, hanging around the mid 60% mark. So we've got 61% for the S&P, we've got 60% for the NASDAQ, 64% for the Dow, and 67% for the Russell. So all of those at least a little bit favored here. If we look at the average moves, average loss larger than the average win in the S&P. They're pretty similar sizes here in the NASDAQ. Average loss is larger in the Dow. Average loss is larger in the Russell. So historically speaking, the bigger moves have been on the downside, but more often than not, we are closing above the opening print on the Tuesday of OPEX week. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.